Good morning, students. Good morning. Please mute your mic. Students, please mute your mic and tell me, can you hear me? Yes, yes, very good morning. Please mute your mic first. Okay. So let's continue. Look, in our previous class, we completed exercise 4.1 from simple equation. Am I right? Students, am I right? Just make a comment. Yes, sir. So today we'll start a new exercise. That means a 4.2. So are you ready for that? Please students, unmute your mic. Shomodeep. Okay, so let's start exercise number 4.2. Okay, so the first question is give the first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Okay, now look, what do you mean by solution of equation? Solution means to find out the value of the variable. Shomodi, please unmute your mic. Okay, what do you mean by solution? So solution means live class is going on. Okay, solution. What do you mean by this word? Solution. Solution means the process to find out the value of the variable. Clear? Now look, there are few steps. Look, we know there are three parts of an equation. One is the expression on the left hand side, one is the expression on the right hand side, and there is an equal sign between these two expressions in left hand side and right hand side. So there are few rules. Suppose if there are any term in left hand side with positive sign, so when we shift this term from left hand side to right hand side, so sign of that term will be changed into negative, means will be changed into minus. If there are any term with negative sign, then when we shift it from left hand side to right hand side, it will be a positive sign. If the sign is multiplication, then the sign will convert it into division, and if the sign is in division in the left hand side, then it will be multiply on the right hand side. I hope you can now see the full board. Saptarshi. Okay, and please, I think someone's mic is not muted. Please mute it first. Okay, so this is the basic rules. Remind it. If it is plus, then it will be negative. If it is negative, it will be positive. If it is multiplication, on the right hand side it will be division, and if it is division, on the right hand side it will be multiplications. Okay, but here we have to solve the equation and we have to mention the first step. So look, the first equation is x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So to solving this equation, we have to first write the first step. So show me who's Ognish Ghosh, please unmute your mic. Mute your mic. Okay, now the first step is look, here there is a term with a negative minus 1. Minus 1 means negative 1. Show me sir the name. Cut it. Students, don't make any type of sound during the class. If you have any problem, you just leave a message. Okay. Okay. So now we have to remove this minus 1 from the left hand side. So what we have to do? Just we have to add plus 1 to the both sides. So adding 1 we have, so the left hand side will be x minus 1 is there, plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. Actually we are adding 1 to the left hand side and right hand side. Now look, this minus 1 and this plus 1 will cancel each other. That means x will be equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. So value of x is 1. That is the solution of this equation. So first look at the procedure. So here, to find the solution of an equation, we have to remove all the term which does not contain the variable x. So here look, in minus 1 there is no x. So we remove this minus 1 by adding plus 1 to both the sides. Suppose there are a equation x plus 7 equal to 0. So can you tell me what to do? What will be the first step to find out the value of x? Or by which number? That is the first question. Ishan Boshak. For this question, x plus 7 equal to 0. To removing this term, what we have to do? To removing plus 7, what we have to do? Yes. No, I am not asking the answer, Saptarshi. I am asking the procedure. Obviously, answer will be minus 7, but I am asking the procedure. What is the first step we will do? Yes, Ishan Bhaskar, you have given the right answer. Yes, subtract 7, not subtract minus 7, subtract 7. Okay, so hope you understand this one. Okay, now let's go to the next question. X plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. So what will be the first step to find out the value of x? Look, means we have to remove this term. So we know plus 1 will be removed by minus 1. So we are adding minus 1 or we are subtracting 1. Either add -1 or subtract 1, we will have the answer. Okay. So, subtracting 1 from both the side, we have x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1. Within bracket, the first step is subtracting 1 from both the side. We are subtracting 1 from both the side we have. So, or look, this plus 1 and this minus 1 will cancel each other. That means x will be 0 minus 1. Now, what is the value if I subtract 1 from 0? Yes, that is the minus 1. So, x equal to minus 1 is the solution. Yes, Devadrita, x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the solution. Okay, so then let's move to the next question. Question number C. Not, I am not doing C. I am doing question number D. Okay, question number D. Question number D is x plus 6 is equal to 2. Now, from the left hand side, we have to remove all the term which does not contain the variable x. So, look, there is only one term which does not contain the variable x. So, we have to remove this term. We have to remove plus 6. So, we know that to removing plus 6, we have to subtract 6 from both the sides. So, subtracting 6, we have x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 6, and within the bracket we will write the first step, subtracting 6 from both the side. Okay, yes. So, on the from the left hand side, this plus 6 and this minus 6 will cancel each other. That means x will be equal to 2 minus 6. Now, can you tell me what is the value of 2 minus 6? Yes, Devadrita, correct. Please tell me the value of 2 minus 6. Yes, Agnish, you are also correct. Yes, Sampurna solved the total problem. Okay, so this is minus 4. So, x equal to minus 4 is the solution of this given equation. Yes, yes, very good. Now, I am doing question number if. Is that okay? I am doing question number if. Because the problems are very easy. So, if I leave few problem for you, can't you do that? Yes, yes, I hope a very good student, you can do it. So, question number F is y minus 4 is equal to 4. Y minus 4 is equal to 4. Now, look, this is a variable, this is the equation with the variable y, and on the left hand side there is a term minus 4. So, we have to remove this minus 4. So, by which term we have, what we have to do, tell me? Yes, 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 very good. We have to add both sides by 4. So, adding both sides by 4, we have, that is 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. So, from the left hand side, this minus 4 and this plus 4 will cancel each other. That means, or value of y will be 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. And do not forget to write the first step here, adding 4 both the side. Okay. Adding 4, yes, answer is absolutely right. And now I am doing question number H. Okay. Now I am doing question number H. Question number H is y plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Y plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Now look at the term containing with y in the left hand side, that is equal to plus 4. So, to removing plus 4, what we have to do? Yes, yes, very good, Sampurna. Yes, Agnish, correct. No, Somdatta. Look, to removing plus 4, we have to subtract 4, not add 4 each side. Okay? So, subtracting 4 from both the side, we have y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 4 was there, and then we are subtracting 4. Or look, from the left hand side, this plus 4 and this minus 4 will cancel each other. That means y will be equal to minus 4 minus 4. The result will be minus 8. Minus 4, yes, yes, very good. Yes, result is minus 8. Okay, so question number 1 is now completed. Now tell me, if you have any problem, any queries, you can tell me. Do you have any? No. Okay. So time is. No. Time of the class. Class due up to 25. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, so remind me when the class is over. Give the first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. The first question is 3L equal to 42. 3L is equal to 42. Now can you tell me which sign is there between 3 and L? Which sign or what sign is there between 3 and L? What do you mean by 3L? Now my question is, what sign is there between, yes, multiplication. Actually 3L means 3 into L. 3L means 3 into L. Now look, to removing this multiplication, what we have to do? We have to actually divide it by 3. Divide by 3. So to removing this 3 from the left hand side, we have to divide it by 3, or 3L by 3 is equal to 42 by 3. We will write the reason that divide both sides by 4. Dildar, divide 4 by both sides. No, divide by 3. Dildar. So the reason is divide by 3. On both sides we are dividing it by 3. So look, this 3 and this 3 will cancel each other, and if I cut it, so it will be 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. No, sorry. So L will be is equal to 14. The value of L or solution is 14. No problem, Dildar. It sometimes happens. Okay. Means, have you understood, na? Have you understood the procedure? Yes, sir. Okay. So let's solve another more problem. Okay. Let's solve question number B. B by 2 is equal to 6. I am rubbing this. B by 2 is equal to what? Is equal to 6. Now look, this term is in the form of division with B. So to removing this division, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 2. Very good, Sampurna. We have to multiply it by 2. So multiply both sides by 2. We have 2 into B by 2 is equal to 6 into 2. We are multiplying both sides by 2, and we will must write the region that multiplying both sides by 2, multiplying both sides by 2, multiplying both sides by 2. So, this 2 and this 2 will cancel each other, that will implies b equal to 6 2 is a 12. So, 12 is the answer. Okay. Okay. One more problem I will solve, and that will be the last problem for today. Okay. We will now solve question number D, 4x equal to 25. Aniruddha, 10:28. Yeah, time is 10:28. Yes. Just I am leaving, just doing question number D. 4x is equal to 25. Now tell me what procedure, what step we have to do? Dividing both sides by 4. Yes. So on dividing both sides by 4, we have 25 by 4. So this 2 4 will cancel each other. That means x will be 25 by 4. That is the answer. 25 by 4. Yes. Okay. So hope you understood.